Want our insights on how the digital marketing world has held up during the pandemic so far? Writing case studies of sales enablement tools and how you can retain customers while you're out of the office over this Christmas break? Well, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. We're back with our November update to let you know what we've been up to in this month that's changed the way we market, sell to, and service to our customers. First things first, we're expanding at Neighbourhood HQ. In the process, we've been very lucky to have two familiar faces join our team on a full-time basis. Our digital marketing coordinator, Liv, is moving up in the marketing world and now taking on the account management roles, meaning that the coordinator baton has been handed over to Grace, who stepped up into the role earlier this month. The second face we are welcoming to the team is Ruby, who will be joining us as also our digital marketing coordinator. I'd like to welcome these two girls to the Neighbourhood, and we're very stoked to have you here. Welcome. Moving on, let's take a look at what else has been happening in marketing this month. It gets to this time of year where everyone's saying the same thing, but seriously, where has the year gone? While some of us are glad to see the 2020 finally bite the dust, there is no doubt that COVID-19 pandemic has and will continue to fundamentally change consumer behavior. The way we live, work, and buy has dramatically rewritten, and the reason these developments so directly affect marketers is all the unexpected uncertainty they create. So what does this mean for the future in digital marketing? And more importantly, how can we prepare for a post-pandemic world? While we can't predict how long the e-commerce boom will last, especially when we don't know when the world will get a green light to return to normal, now is the time for marketers to closely scrutinize their goals, performance metrics, and KPIs. To survive and thrive again, marketers must be nimble and adapt new strategies quickly and precisely. The good news is that it's not all doom and gloom, and many organizations are cautiously optimistic about the future. According to Deloitte's global marketing trends for 2021, there are 7 key trends to look out for in preparation for the shift and hopefully the post-pandemic world. Number 1, purpose. Flourishing brands will be those that know why they exist and who they are built to serve. 2, agility. Successful marketers will be those who invest in agile marketing strategies. Number 3, human connections. Making authentic connections is now more important than speed to market or efficiency. Number 4, trust. Trust arises when what's promised is what's delivered. Messaging should be transparent, and delivering on those messages should be consistent and reliable. Number 5, participation. Customer engagement at a deeper level, going beyond passive responses to activities like writing online reviews, giving advice to fellow customers, joining conversations, whether they be brand direct or on social media, and creating relevant content to the brand. Did it again. Number 6, fusion. This trend recognizes the power of innovative business partnerships. Number 7, talent transformation. Marketing teams need to develop new talent models to differentiate themselves in a rapidly evolving digital environment. Well, that's it from what's new in marketing this month, so let's take a look at what's new in sales. Each quarter, Hubspot recognizes the success demonstrated by their partners when it comes to helping their clients grow better. These are known as the Hubspot Grow Better Awards. The award is split across different regions and into different categories such as service, sales, website design, marketing, and integrations innovation. Neighbourhood submitted a recent case study that we had to put together detailing the sales automation project that we had recently completed for one of our clients, Craig and the team at True Pride. We're absolutely stoked to announce that Neighbourhood took out the Q3 Impact Awards Grow Better in Sales for the APAC region. We were so proud of the work that we were able to achieve in this project, and it's great to be recognised for all the efforts that the team and Dom put together. So why is it important to incorporate case studies as a sales enablement tool? Well, besides being recognized for your hard work, when used right, case studies can boost your deal closing ratio by 70% and your sales by 185%, making them a valuable addition to your sales enablement library. As an online lead generation tool, case studies can also make for an attractive offer. During a demo, case studies can turn a boring features demo into an engaging presentation. It's as simple as telling stories about previous customers who struggled with specific problems, then showing how one of your features solves that problem. The best part is your prospect will most likely want to see the information around your previous case studies so they can make an informed purchase. Want our top tips on writing a case study? We often ask the project manager to reflect on the project before framing the project by detailing the challenges Company X faced, how their problem was solved, the results, and what their experience was like working with you. This can prove valuable to potential prospects as it has the added bonus of attracting your ideal customer at the precise moment they're actively looking for the solutions to their problem. So moving on to customer service this month. Christmas is well and truly around the corner, with roughly around 37 days until Christmas for those who are counting at home. And while I'm sure everyone is ready to put on their out of office and enjoy a much needed break, it's important to ask yourselves if you're connected with your customers. We talk a lot about how important it is to nurture your customer relationships and turn prospects into customers, but are businesses undervaluing their current customers? The ones that actually already got? Ways to connect with your customers over the Christmas period can come in the form of a Christmas card, sending gifts, exclusive discounts, just to name a few. Something that we've done in the past is the Ugly Christmas Jumper campaign. As a part of this, we've taken a happy snap of the team wearing ugly Christmas jumpers and sent our customers a Christmas card and their very own ugly Christmas jumper to recreate the team Christmas photo, accompanied with a hashtag to share it on their socials. It was a really successful campaign as we saw a lot of our customers participating by recreating their own ugly Christmas sweater photo. And it was fun, lighthearted, and a festive way to connect with our customers at the end of the year. So if you're looking for a fun way to win brownie points and maintain communication with your customers in a way that's a bit more exciting than just an email, then why not try something like this? Speaking of Christmas, it's almost time for Neighbourhood's year in review. Like every year, the team at Neighbourhood is setting off on a 4-night retreat at a secret location. While we're so excited to get out of the office, participate in some team building activities, let our hair down and enjoy a couple of bevies, it's also the time of year to set aside and reflect on the year that's been and strategize and plan for the year ahead. So why do we do this, you ask? In marketing, it often pays to be patient, because sometimes it can take time for you to see the results in marketing. The simple exercise of getting the team together for a year in review can generate valuable insights that lead to increased employee productivity and better business performance in the new year. We promise we haven't just made this up as an excuse to get out of the office, as research shows that taking time to reflect on your work can actually improve job performance across the board. Where did we succeed? Take pride where you and your team are and how you succeeded this year. Where did we fall short? Reflecting on failure isn't a negative exercise. It's an opportunity to do better next time. Who needs to be acknowledged? Did you only celebrate the actions of the loudest performance? What about the worker bees who put in serious legwork behind the scenes? In which areas did we grow? And how can you leverage that growth for even greater returns next year? What are the goals for the coming year? Sit down with your team to brainstorm ideas and set achievable company targets for the upcoming 12 months. If you have the resources to do so, it's a really great chance to make your year in reflection as enjoyable and as fun as possible. We've worked hard all year, and this year has been particularly a tough one. If your business winds down over the Christmas, think of a fun and positive way to conduct this time with your team and begin to get into the festive spirit. If your business ramps up over Christmas, perhaps look at doing a Christmas in July or picking a slower month for your business to give your staff the chance to wind down and celebrate the wins and get excited about improvements that can be made in the year to come. So that's it for another month, guys. We hope you're feeling optimistic about your digital marketing in the post-pandemic world, inspired to utilize case studies for sales enablement if you aren't already, and excited for the festive season as a time for reflection and connecting with customers, all to see better results in finding, selling, and keeping your people. If you need any more help with any of these strategies, check out our blog for all the referable content that you could want, or drop us a line for some more best practices and we can work it out together. But for now, that's all from me. Happy marketing, selling, and servicing your customers. Hooroo. There you go.
Cute.